Let me show you how to enter the download mode on Xiaomi 17 and how we can exit it. So first of all, in order to go to the download mode, we need to restart our phone. So I'm gonna use the power button and volume up button at the same time. There we go. Once we open the power menu, of course, we need to slide down over here to reboot the phone. And then once a circle disappears over here, you want to press and hold volume up. So wait for the circle to be gone, and then press and hold volume up shortly afterwards. And just keep holding volume up all the time. Even if you see the Xiaomi logo, you want to still keep holding volume up. And by doing so, we should go to the recovery mode first. So let's see. There we go. Now once we are in the recovery mode, we can use volume buttons in order to navigate in this menu, and then you confirm your selected option by using the power button. We want to choose connect with MI Assistant, so press the power button over here, and there we go. Now we have the instruction that tells us to simply connect our phone to our computer with a USB cable. And of course, in addition to that, you might need to use an additional app on your computer that allows you to actually use the download mode with Xiaomi 17. So if you have the software, then of course you should be able to make use of the download mode. Now, if you want to exit this download mode, you just have to press and hold the power button until this image disappears from the screen. Usually it takes approximately 12 seconds to do so. So just patiently hold the power button, and then once the image is gone, you want to release the power button and just wait for the phone to turn back on. And let me just quickly see if we are going to be redirected to the recovery mode. Yes, so in this case, in order to fully exit the recovery mode as well, we just have to make sure that reboot option is selected and just choose the power button, and then choose reboot to system and confirm with the power button again. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.